guys, so today's Wednesday. I don't know where I left off from Tuesday. So I just finished working out at Planet Fitness, and here's the update that I am currently in. So Raf doesn't learn his lesson, so I have to take it apart a bit. So I can't go, now I can't go neutral or drive. So my shifter cable is really broken. I put zip ties on it just to have, like, you know, a temporary fix, but that didn't work out. So in the meanwhile, I'm not that far away from the house. What I could do is I could unscrew all these 4 screws right here. 3 screws, and then take this little cover out and then try to pull the cable through the knob and then pretty much extend it all the way down. Maybe it'll put it to drive, but I don't know. We'll find out at 8 p.m. So I gotta wait 8 hours so I could borrow a car real quick and then come back here. But in the meanwhile, enjoy the B-roll of me walking home in the rain. What's up, guys? Today is Thursday. Nothing much has happened throughout the week. So an update for the car. The car is back home. My dad actually saved me. Shout out to my dad. So we're back home safe. The car's good. I just gotta work on it. So remember I had a video shoot last week? Well, my boy Brandon, which is also my barber, won for the design competition. Yeah, guys, we made it to round 3. Woo! Shout out to my barber Brandon. Here's his Instagram somewhere here. Just happy to be a part of the process. Shout out to my boy Eddie also for helping out with the lights. Just been a blessing. So right now I'm on my way to my second home to work on a couple projects. I still gotta hit up Brandon to see if he wants another video because it's due in about 2 weeks. The sooner we find out when and what the video will be, the better. So stay tuned, guys. What's this guy doing up here? Dang it. What are you doing over here?
Are you recording?
I'm recording. Are you recording?
I wasn't ready.
Are you recording me, recording you?
I am recording you, recording me. Actually,
where's your eyes at?
You lose. Yeah, so I guess like just that.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, this is such a magnificent piece.
What is... Oh my god, this is quite amazing.
It's astonishing.
Oh my god.
We need the artist.
And we need to find out who did this.
Inspiration.
Hey, you!
Go find her, the artist, right now.
She's my mini-me. She knows exactly what I will say.
Exactly.